Welcome clients and guests to my channel. I'm Jason Serro and I'm a licensed professional counselor. My videos are designed to educate and empower you to make informed decisions about your mental health. Excelling in a career as a person with ADHD involves leveraging strengths, managing challenges, and creating supportive systems. Here are the steps to help you thrive. Self-awareness and acceptance. Understand ADHD. Learn about ADHD and how it affects your work habits, attention, and productivity. Accept strengths and limitations. Recognize the unique skills ADHD can bring, such as creativity, problem solving, and energy. Set clear goals. Define career objectives. Establish clear, achievable career goals. Use SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break down goals. Divide larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks to prevent feeling overwhelmed. Create structured routines. Daily routine. Establish a consistent daily routine to provide structure and predictability. My name is Jason Serro and I'm a licensed professional counselor, and I'm accepting new patients for mental health counseling, both in person and through telehealth. Want to stay in the loop with all the latest articles, videos, and valuable mental health insights? Sign up through the link in the description or click on this video here. You can also go to www.jasoncerro.com and enter your email at the bottom of my homepage. Please do me a solid and like and subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos. Prioritize tasks. Use prioritization techniques like the Eisenhower matrix to focus on important and urgent tasks. Leverage technology and tools. Task management apps. Use apps like TikTok, Todoist, Trello, or Asana to organize and track tasks. Digital calendars. Keep a digital calendar for scheduling and setting reminders for deadlines and meetings. Develop focus techniques. Pomodoro technique. Work in short, focused intervals, 25 minutes, followed by a break, 5 minutes. Mindfulness and meditation. Practice mindfulness or meditation to enhance focus and reduce stress. Create an optimal work environment. Minimize distractions. Arrange your workspace to reduce distractions. Use noise-canceling headphones or work in a quiet area. Organize workspace. Keep your workspace tidy and organized to improve concentration. Effective time management, time blocking. Allocate specific blocks of time for different tasks or projects. Use alarms and timers. Set alarms and timers to remind you of important tasks and to take breaks. Leverage strengths. Identify strengths. Recognize and focus on tasks that play to your strengths, such as creative thinking or problem solving. Seek suitable roles. Look for your career roles that align with your strengths and interests. Seek support and mentorship mentors and coaches. Find a mentor or career coach who understands ADHD and can provide guidance and accountability. Peer support. Join support groups or networks for professionals with ADHD to share strategies and experiences. Communicate needs. Open communication. Communicate your needs and preferences with supervisors and colleagues. Reasonable accommodations. Request accommodations that can help you perform better, such as flexible work hours or a quieter workspace. Continuous learning and skill development. Professional development. Engage in continuous learning to enhance your skills and stay updated with industry trends. Feedback. Regularly seek feedback from supervisors and colleagues to improve your performance. Manage stress and well-being. Healthy lifestyle. Maintain a healthy diet, exercise regularly, and ensure sufficient sleep to manage ADHD symptoms. Work-life balance. Set boundaries to ensure time for relaxation and personal activities, preventing burnout. Utilize accountability systems. Accountability partners. Find an accountability partner to help you stay on track with your goals. Regular check-ins. Schedule regular check-ins with mentors or coaches to monitor progress and adjust strategies as needed. Adapt. Flexibility. Be open to adjusting your strategies and routines as you learn what works best for you. Reflect and adjust. Regularly reflect on your progress and make necessary adjustments to your approach. By following these steps, you can manage ADHD effectively and excel in your career. The key is to create a supportive environment, use strategies that work for you, and continuously adapt to overcome challenges and leverage your strengths.